Listen to this story. How this Jamaican man found out that his 4 kids is not his after he migrated here to America and basically went back to Jamaica to be with his long love, if that's the correct word to use. Now, this Jamaican man and this woman has been together for about 20 or 30 odd years. You know what I mean? Because him saying been with the girl from she was in her, I think, 20s or somewhere there. Now, this Jamaican man, you know, his mother filed for him and migrate here to the United States. But the man say he's been here for the past 5 years. So him decides him go back home and him go file for him girlfriend for be here with him, and him basically him go married to her. So he went back to Jamaica, guys, and he make a proposal. Proposed to the lady, and she said, look here, she have something that, guys, that the vehicle had. She said, look here, she have something that she wanna confess. So the man said, what is it that you wanna confess to me? So she said that she think that the last child is not his. And basically she explained to him that, you know, she went to a party and basically she was, you know, intoxicated, and basically all the whole situation went down. Now the guy, so you know, him kind of go overlook it, and him basically gonna forgive her. So him say, alright then, him propose to her, and you know, him say, you know what, I'm gonna do a DNA test. So guys, the man went and him do a DNA test on all 4, because they are 5 together, you know, guys. It's basically 4, but they are 5 kids together. So when the man went and him do the DNA test, guys, the DNA test came back negative. So it says that the 18-year-old, the 15-year-old, the 6-year-old, and the 4-year-old. Yes, guys. Remember, you know, she said the last one wasn't his, and all 4 of those kids was not his. The only child that belonged to the man, guys, was the one that was 23-year-old, which I did not mention, because him, you know, he was a match. But the man said, look here, he was so shocked, him couldn't believe. Him went back again and he did the DNA test again, guys. When he did the DNA test, the same result came back. None of the kids is not his. Remember, you know, guys, the man said, look here, this lady and him lived from she was about in her 20s. From them in them 20s, you know, guys. And all along they were living together. The man said migrated here to America probably about 5 years ago. But him always, like, since him been back and forth, same way. You know what I mean? But I'm saying, before he left, they were together. So where she find time for me messing around like that? Now, the man is devastated because the man spent up all the money there to take over and mute them, and then him find out say none of the kids is not his. And him and the woman, like, why? This is a story, guys. I just want them story there where it's just unbelievable. And the thing is, I wonder how she feel on Father's Day when them things they come around, like, you know, guys, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? Because maybe the man they could have reached far in life too, because the amount of money when spent on them kids there and thing, because he thought it was his. You understand? But people, more stories to come. Please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, okay? Thank you.